If you're looking for a really good shampoo and conditioner, the Redken Acidic, is it bonding concentrate with the shampoo and conditioner, they are absolutely amazing. So they're both 10.1 fluid ounces and they look exactly the same. You just have to read very carefully. The silver one is for the shampoo and this white label right here. See, this one's silver here, and this white label right here is for the conditioner, but these are going to last you forever. They are going to make your hair feel nice and clean, get it back to that acidic level that you are looking for. Let me tell you, they are amazing. I washed my hair last night with it and then did a good blow dry. My color looks crazy, but my hair is clean and light and fluffy. It doesn't get weighed down. And all I did was shampoo and condition with those two products right there. They're amazing. So if you're looking for a really good shampoo and conditioner, this is one that we recommend in the salon, and it is amazing.